Dear students, I am Dharamveer. I welcome you all to my channel. So I have a video for you on the trigonometry. I have written some questions on the board. First question is evaluate sin 60 degree cos 30 into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 30 degree. So these are the standard value of theta: 60, 30, 30, 60, 45, 90. These are known as the standard values of theta. So if you know the values, so that is well and good. If you don't know the values of standard value of theta, you can make a table. So I have written for you this table. So some theta is sin theta, cos theta, tangent theta, and the three others ratio you can write down below this. Sin 0 degree 0, sin 30 degree 1 upon 2, sin 45 1 upon under root 2, sin 60 degree under root 3 upon 2, and sin 90 degree 1. So you end with sin 91. So start with cos theta on the reverse direction. 1 under 3 upon 2, 1 upon under 2, half and 0. 1 under root 3 upon 2, 1 upon under root 2, 1 upon 2 and 0. These are the values, standard values of theta for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So you are to remember only these two values, or more precisely you need to remember the value of only sin theta. So if you know sin theta, the value, standard value of sin theta, so you can write for cos theta as well as tangent theta. So for tangent theta, so tangent theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. 0 divided by 1, that will be 0. Sin tangent 0 will be 0. So again for 30, when you divide 1 by 2, divide by under root 3 by 2, that will be 1 upon under root 3. So this will be 1, this will be under root 3. And for tangent 90 degree not defined. So I tell you why this is not defined. You cannot divide 1 by 0. 0 cannot be taken in the denominator. So 0 only can be placed in the numerator. So if you divide 0 by 1, that will be 0. But if you divide 1 by 0, that is not defined. So you know the three values, sin, cos and tangent. Then for other three ratios, the inverse ratio of these will be taken. So for first part, that is sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree. Just see the table. Sin 60, I have written sin 60 under root 3 upon 2. Multiply by cos 30. Cos 30, the value for sin 60, that will again value for cos 30, again under root 3 upon 2. Plus sin 30, 1 upon 2 into cos 60, 1 upon 2. These two value will be 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. LCM 4. So 3 plus 1, that will be 4 upon 4, that is equal to 1. So values So evaluation for the sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60, that will be 1. So let us take second part. Cos 45 upon secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree. Just see cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 upon under root 2. Whereas secant 30, so you have to select for cos 30. You have to see only cos 30. So cos 30 is under root 3 upon 2. So secant 30 will be the inverse of the 3 upon 2. That is 2 upon under root 3 plus cosecant 30. See sin 30 is 1 upon 2. So cosecant 30 will be 2 upon 1. One upon under root 2. So add these two. Under root 3 is LCM. 2 plus 2 under root 3. So 1 upon under root 2 multiply under root 3 upon 2 plus 2 under root 3. Under root 2 plus 2 under root 3. So next line, under root 3 upon under root 2. So common factor for these 2 is 2. I have written 2 here. So 1 plus under root 3. So you can write 1 plus under root 3 as under root 3 plus 1. And for the removal of this, because under root 3 is irrational numbers, so you will have to rationalize it. Under root 3 minus 1 upon under root 3 minus 1. So 1 minus under root 3 under 3 minus 1 under root 3. So rationalize. Multiply under root 3 into under root 3. That will be 3 minus under root 3. Divide by 2 under root 2 by the multiplication of these two, that will be 3 minus 1. 3 minus under root 3, 2 under root 2, after minus, so that 2. So 3 under root 3, 3 minus under root 3 divided by, so multiplying these two, 4 under root 2. So again you will have to rationalize it. So multiply it under root 2 divided by under root 2. So this will 3 under root 2 minus under root 6 upon 8. 4 multiplied by 2. So this will be the answer for your second part evaluations. Now we will have to take other type of questions where the standard values are not given. The theta are written in the form of those values which are not as standards, 48, 42, 26, 64. So these will be solved in terms of the complementary angles. So third part, evaluate cos 48 minus sin 42. So cos 48 minus sin 42. So you have to change 48. So cos 90 minus 42 degree, that will be again 48. Sin 42. So cos 90 minus theta, that is sin 42 minus sin 42. So that will be 0. Because you know the formula, that is sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta, that is sin theta. These are the complementary identities. Next, take up fourth part, tangent 26 degree upon cotangent 64 degree. So change it to again in the complementary form. So tangent 26 upon cot 90 minus 26. Tangent 26 degree upon tangent 26 degree. The value for theta here is 26. So that has becomes the complement of tangent, cotangent, that is tangent. So that will be 1. So this is the answer for the fourth part. So the question was to evaluate the given theta. So I have given this. So I have some more questions on the complementary angles. These I have written 4 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these 4 questions are on the basis of the complementary angles. So first question, show that cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree is equal to 0. So let us take solution. Cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree. So you have to find the value of these, that comes equal to, that should be 0. So write this angle in the form of the complementary angle. So cos 38 degree into cos 90 minus 52 sin 38 degree into sin 90 minus 38. Cos 38 degree into sin 38 degree by mistake I have written 52. So there comes be 38, because 90 minus 38 will be 52. So this is sin 38. Sin 38 degree. So this will be cos 38 degree. So cos 38 into sin 38, cos 38, sin 38. So same values are subtracted, so that will be 0. So answer First two proved 0. The given answer is 0. So we have solved the questions. The answer will be 0. Now let us take the second part. If tan A is equal to cot A, cot B, so you have to prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So again you have to change the given theta in this complementary angles. So left hand side is tangent A. So this will be cot 90 minus A, because tangent theta is equal to cotangent 90 minus theta. So theta here is A. So we have written in place of A again A. Tangent. So I have written for tangent cotangent. The complementary angle of tangent is cotangent. Right hand side cotangent B. So we have changed only one side of the given equation, that is the left hand side. So cotangent 90 minus A again will be tangent A. Cotangent 90 minus A, so that tangent 90 minus A, left hand side was cotangent 90 minus A. So you have to cancel cot on both sides. So cot 90 minus A, again cot B. So the same ratio, the same theta was given, cot. So both are cancelled. So therefore 90 minus A will be B. So take A on the right hand side. So 90 degree will be A plus B. So that was to be proved. Therefore A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So very simple questions, very short and simple questions, and mostly asked in the exam. So these complementary questions, questions on the complementary angles are commonly asked in the exam. So next part, if secant 4A is equal to cosecant A minus 20 degree. So change the left hand side. So left hand side is secant. So in place of secant we will write cosecant 90 minus 4A. Cosecant A minus 20. So I have cancelled 90 minus 4A is equal to A minus 20. So take A on one side and the other on the other side. So take A on the same side. So 90 plus 20 degree is equal to A plus 4A. That is 5A is equal to 110 degree. So value of A will be 110 divided by 5, that is 22 degrees. So the value of A, so you have to find out the value of A. So the value of A will be 22 degree. So this is the answer. The fourth part, the next part, that is, if A, B, C are interior angle of triangle ABC, since A, B, C are interior angles of triangle ABC. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be 180 degree. Some property of a triangle. सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ए ट्राइंगल क्या होती है कि ट्राइंगल के 3 एंगल जो हैं उनका जोड़ 180 डिग्री होता है. So you have to keep B and C on one side, just B plus C, A on other sides. So angle B plus C will be equal to 180 minus A. Divide both sides with 2. So B plus C divided by 2 will be 180 minus A divided by 2. So B plus C divided by 2, that is 90 minus A upon 2. So both sides, left and right hand side, both were divided by 2. So write sign on both sides. So sign, देखो क्वेश्चन में आपको पूछा है साइन P प्लस C अपॉन 2, तो इसलिए हम साइन लिख रहे हैं. साइन B प्लस C अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू साइन 90 माइनस A upon 2. So just see here, for the complementary angle the theta is A upon 2. So this will be equal to cos A upon 2, because theta was A upon 2. So therefore sin B plus C upon 2 will be cos A plus 2. That was to be proved. So hence proved. So that was the answer for you to be proved. So I have written another questions. Choose the correct options and justify your choice. These 3 parts: 9 secant square A minus 9 tangent square A. What will be the value for this? 4 options are: A is equal to 1, B is equal to 9, third option is C is 8, and the fourth option is 0. So out of these 4 options, which is the correct one? So you have to find the option and justify your choice. So second part, 1 plus tangent theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cotangent theta minus cosecant theta, that will be equal to either 0, 1, 2 or none of these 4 options. So you have to select which one will be the correct one. And third part, secant A plus tangent A into 1 minus sin A. So what will be the options? Secant A, sin A, cosecant A or cos A. So let us take first part. 9 secant square A minus 9 tangent square A. So these are the questions based on identity of the trigonometry. So take a 9 common, factor is 9 secant square A minus tangent square A. So that will be 9 into 1, that is 9. The option is, answer option is B. So that is your option. So what identity I have used here? So the secant square A minus tangent square A. So मेन आइडेंटिटी ये होती है कि सीकेंट स्क्वायर थीटा बराबर होता है 1 प्लस टेंजेंट स्क्वायर थीटा, ये आइडेंटिटी होती है। तो उसमें से अगर टेंजेंट को हम इस साइड में ले लेते हैं तो ये हो जाते हैं सीकेंट स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस टेंजेंट स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1। So that was the identity used in this question. Secant square theta minus tan square theta की वैल्यू हुई 1, तो उससे 9 से मल्टीप्लाई की तो आई 9। सो देयरफॉर आउट ऑफ दिस 4, सो B is the right option. So second part, is 1 plus tangent theta secant theta into 1 plus cotangent theta minus cosecant theta. So 1 plus tangent, in place of tangent will be write sin theta upon cos theta, and secant is 1 upon cos theta. Because secant is a reciprocal of cos and tangent is sin upon cos. So 1 cot is cos theta upon sin theta minus 1 upon sin theta. In the first equation, LCM is cos theta. So cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 second sin theta is the LCM, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. So this is the second bracket. Just see, so here is written sin theta plus cos theta. Cos theta plus sin theta या sin theta plus cos theta, one and same thing. So sin theta plus cos theta. So this is the same. These two terms are the same, but difference is plus 1 minus 1. So let it, इन दो टर्म्स को आप ए के तरीके से मान लें, दोनों को इकट्ठा और इसको अलग कर लें। तो इस तरह से बन जाएगा साइन थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा स्क्वायर माइनस 1 स्क्वायर अपॉन साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा. So we are multiplying this term with this term. So the first two terms are the similar. So we have taken these two terms as the whole square, and the second part, third part, सब इसको हमने ऐसे ले लिया, यानी इसको हमने सारे को एक ही टर्म माना. यानी ये समझ लो ये आपका ए पार्ट है ए, और ये हो गया प्लस बी, ए प्लस बी, और इस तरीके से हो गया a माइनस बी. तो a here is cos theta plus sin theta, that is a, and b is 1. तो हो गया a प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी, और वो किसके बराबर होता है a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. तो होल स्क्वायर ऑफ sin theta प्लस cos theta विल बी sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 2 sin थीटा cos theta minus 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. Just see these two terms, sin square theta plus cos square theta, ये किसके बराबर होता है 1 के. This is the first identity. sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 के बराबर होता है, ये फर्स्ट आइडेंटिटी होती है. उसके बाद प्लस 2 साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा माइनस 1 अपॉन साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा। तो +1 -1 कैंसिल, तो क्या 2 साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा अपॉन साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा कैंसिल, the value is 2. So which option is 2? That is the C. So answer is C option. The correct option is C. So here was B. Now let us take the third part. Third part is secant A plus tangent A into 1 minus sin A. So out of these 4 options, which will be the option, correct option? So we have to find out. So solution, secant A plus tangent A into 1 minus sin A. So it will be 1 upon cos A sin A upon cos A 1 minus sin A. Need not to change. LCM for the first 2 term is cos A. So 1 plus sin A multiply 1 minus sin A upon 1. अब ये उसी तरीके से बन गया 1A plus B multiply A minus B. So same formula, so A plus B into A minus B. So that will be square of 1 minus square of sin A upon cos A. So 1 minus sin square A upon cos A. That will be cos square A divided by cos A. Cos A divided by cos A. तो आंसर आया cos A. Just check your options. First option is secant A, then the sin A, cosecant A and cos A. So cos A option is given to you. So therefore answer will be D. So D option is the correct. अब आपको ये देखना है कि हमने आइडेंटिटी यहाँ कौन सी यूज़ करी है। मैं यहाँ पर आइडेंटिटी आपको बता देता हूँ, क्योंकि ये जो होती है 1 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा बराबर होता है 1 के। तो 1 अगर हम साइन को इसकी तरफ ले जाते हैं तो ये बन जाता है कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा। तो यही आइडेंटिटी हमने यहाँ पर यूज़ की है कि 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा किसके बराबर होता है, 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा किसके बराबर होता है, कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा। तो वही हमने यहाँ पर इन दोनों की जगह वो वैल्यू पुट की है। सो ये जो क्वेश्चंस थे तो ये थे सारे आइडेंटिटी बेस्ड। सो आई हैव टेकन some questions for you on the identity as well as for the evaluation of the question, evaluation of the the given solutions, so given questions. तो नेक्स्ट जो क्वेश्चंस आएंगे वो थोड़े से लेंथी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस हैं, सो दैट those questions will be taken in the next video. So I request you to go through this video and share, like and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.